So let's wrap up the last section over here on becoming a trader. Sound like I said trader. Trader, not traitor. So key takeaways. Understanding your personal trading style and goals is crucial for creating an effective trading plan. Developing a routine for analyzing market conditions can help you make informed trading decisions. Setting clear goals and defining your risk tolerance can help you stay focused and disciplined. Choosing your trading strategies that fit your plan is important to achieving your goal. Very important. Creating a detailed trading plan with clear entry and exit criteria, risk management strategies, and monitoring procedures can help you execute your trades effectively. Now, if you did order our trading journal, one of the first 2 pages, you're writing all the rules out to your trading plan so you could quickly reference them throughout your trading days, weeks, and months for that quarter. Evaluating and refining your plan over time is essential for adapting to changing market conditions. So you're always testing, you're always developing, and you're always growing. You don't become stagnant. You don't become stagnant in trading, because that's when you start falling behind, losing, and you can't get out of your losing streak. Incorporating your trading plan into your overall financial plan can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. So you got to remember, just like we do in trading, we look at the higher time frames, but we trade on the lower time frames. You need to have your long-term goals, but then break them down into short-term goals so you could focus now, but know that you're working towards those big dreams, those long-term goals, and also diversify by putting some of your profits into long-term investments, maybe some real estate, and then making sure you save for taxes as well. Altogether, that is going to help you be a sound trader and have a great foundation. So you, like the 3 little pigs, you don't want your house out of straw. You want your house out of bricks, and you want to be able to take losses, get beat down, but your house still stands and you can keep going. See you in the next video when we go into your homework assignments for this section.